These are 5 mistakes almost every beginner makes in airsoft. Please don't make the last one. Coming in at number 5, testing your gun for the first time at the field. Too many players show up with a brand new gun and have no idea if it actually works. So always test fire at home first. At number 4, buying cheap BBs to save money, because they are not only making your aim worse, they can even shatter inside your gun and destroy your gearbox. At number 3, using mesh goggles as your only eye protection. They look cool and don't fog up, but BB fragments can pass straight through the gaps, which nobody wants. At number 2, spending money on fancy attachments before the basics are solid. A tracer unit, a flashlight, or a red dot simply won't help if your hop-up is wrong and your BBs are low quality. And at number 1, buying a sniper rifle as your first gun, because it is slow, inconsistent, and pretty much useless in the wrong hands.